If your eBay account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Read the email or notification from eBay carefully. Understand the reason for the restriction and any specific guidelines provided regarding the appeal process. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including your user ID, any recent transactions, and communication with eBay. This will help you present a clear case during the appeal. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a concise and respectful appeal letter. Clearly state your case, address the reasons for the restriction, and provide any evidence or explanations that support your position. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Log into your eBay account and go to the Resolution Center. Follow the prompts to submit your appeal, attaching your prepared letter and any supporting documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from eBay. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to review your case. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for an update. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on eBay. Good luck!